Asia's largest wind power generator, China Longguan Power, nearly doubled its IPO fundraising target, hoping to see about $1.3 billion from a Hong Kong offering. The subsidiary of China Guodian Corporation initially planned to raise around $700 million, but boosted expectations because of strong demand. Longguan, the largest wind power generator in China and number 5 in the world, holds nearly a quarter of the mainland market. UBS estimated Longguan's 2009 earnings would jump 144% to over $130 million, growing to $264 million next year. The growth is mainly because of capacity expansion in the wind power segment and lower coal costs. China's renewable energy sector has grown remarkably in recent years as Beijing pushes for sustainable development, although overcapacity is already threatening some green industries. Stephanie McIntyre, Reuters.